Okay, everybody, this is going to show you how to actually purchase an easy way to trade EA. First, you want to come over. All right, please go to earegister.AnEasierWayToTrade.com and fill out the Google form. Then you want to come back here, click on Join Now. Once you click on Join Now, it's going to come down here and Easy Way to Trade membership, purchase. Once it's added to your cart, go to checkout. Once you go to checkout, it's going to have it in your cart right here. All right, you're going to fill out your information right here. If you already have your MT4, MT5 account numbers that you want to use, you get 2 accounts with the EA. All right, you get 2 accounts with the EA. So you can do 2 MT4s or 2 MT5s or 1 MT4, 1 MT5, a live account, demo account, whichever you want to do, any combination. But you have 2 that you can do. So you want to put them in there. If you already know what these account numbers are, go ahead and put them in here. Click on here, purchase. Now, I'm not going to go through the purchase pipe, but once you get that, once you do this, it will come up to where you're logged in, okay? And you're going to come to purchase. It'll come up to this page right here, purchased items. It's going to show you your purchased items, right? Once you're logged in and once you get your purchase. Click on View Details and Downloads, and that's going to show you your purchase. It's going to also show you your license key and the products and the pages of the site. Okay. Once you got right here, it's going to show your license key. First thing you want to do is go ahead and highlight your license key. Copy it. All right. Make sure there's no spaces. Highlight it, copy it. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Right here. This is the link to download the EA. You're going to download this to, when you download it, they always ask you where you want to download it to. I always like to download my stuff to my desktop. You can normally it'll download to your downloads folder, but I have my stuff to go directly to my desktop so I can see it as soon as it's finished download. So you want to download it to wherever you want to download it to. Does not matter, but just remember where you downloaded it to. So again, it's probably easier to download it to your desktop. Click the download button, and once you click the download button, it's going to download to your desktop. Now, some people's computers might have security features on it to where it says, do you want to keep or discard this file? This file it's a suspicious file. That's because, we're brand new. It's not many downloads, right? So you're going to just click on keep the file and everything. Whatever your security measures are, just continue to click where it says keep and download. Mine went straight to the download. Okay, so I can right here and I can say show in folder. It'll show it to me on my desktop. Okay, so I can close this out right here. It shows me my download folder. My download of the EA is right here. So next, after I have this, I want to go ahead and install it. Go ahead and double click on it and run the program. Okay, gonna run the program. This is going to put my email address in here to where I used to register with an easy way to trade. All right. Then that license key that you copied and pasted, that you copied, you want to go ahead and paste it in here. Make sure there are no spaces. Make sure there are no spaces here. All right. Just double check. Make sure you don't have any spaces. Then you want to click next. I just go ahead and click this is for the MT5. You see, it says Administrator 5. This is for when you install an MT5. I'm going to keep them all checked, or you just decide which brokers that you want to put it on. If I want to put it on FX Choice MT5, make sure I check it. If I want to put it on Carbon Capital, just check it. Right here, this is my Forex Funds prop firm. Put a check in it. If I don't want to install it on that prop firm, take it off. If I don't want to install it on my FX Choice, take it out. Okay? But wherever I want to install it, go ahead and put it there. Next, it's going to come up with my MT4 terminals. Because remember, you have MT5 and MT4. Again, the same thing. If you don't want to install it on your MT4, disconnect. but unselect them, or whichever ones you want, go ahead and select. Just choose which ones you want. Click next, install. It's going to install. This is some important stuff right here. Also, this is a folder that's going to be sent to your desktop once you finish installing it. But this is the information right here, okay? Click next. This is very important. This is very important right here. And I'm going to show you this. You must put a checkbox, and I'll make sure these first three have a checkbox, and then this bottom one has a check. Allow web request, and you must put in there H, just like this is. So you may want to write this down right now so you won't forget it. HTTPS //AnEasierWayToTrade.com. You must put that in here. Once you put a check in here, you click on add new URL. You click that button and you install that right there. You put that web address in there. Then you click next. And then it actually installs. Okay? It actually installs. So now you're done. So now you can actually open up your MT5. Open up your MT5 or your MT4 and right click, go to templates, and it'll be an easier way to trade FX H12. Okay, that's what you're going to be looking at, because that's the version, that's the set file that's loaded. An easier way to trade _FX H12. That's what's loaded right now. So you'll click on that and it'll come up right here. All right, it should come up. Right. Once I click on my, oh, here it is. Well, over on my other screen. I'm sorry. Right here, it has my information in here, and it'll take a minute, and there it goes. It tells me everything is okay. All right. So that lets me know my EA is not working. Now you want to do that on every single pair. Make sure your EA is on the H12 time frame. Okay. Make sure it's on the H12 time frame, and you click over, and it'll pop back up. You want to do that for every single pair. Every single pair that you're going to be trading, you want to right click, templates, and easy way to trade H12. Okay, you see it came up right here. So you're going to do that to every, and this is what the chart will look like in every single pair. All right, that you want to do. That's how you purchase and install an easy way to trade in EA. And it's the exact same thing on the MT4.